How we doing, guys? You all right? It's Steve here at Don Amott Leisure. Welcome to the sunny showground. Today I'm going to take you round this 2025, so the latest Ford model of the Auto Trail XL 620G. So for those of you that are unaware, the 620G is a 4 travelling, 3 sleeping motorhome. It has a narrower profile than normal motorhomes, so it's probably about 10 to 15 centimetres smaller in terms of width. So ideal for narrower lanes, Cornwall, North Coast 500, things like that. Comes in at under 6.5 metres. It's 3.5 tonnes, so it can be driven on a standard driving licence. And this one is the 170 brake horsepower automatic gearbox, which is the new 8-speed gearbox from Ford. So let's have a good look round it. So starting off at the front, it's in this absolutely stunning metallic blue colour scheme on the cab. Really nice touch, I think, from Ford this year is the black alloy wheels, because it just adds to it and makes it really stand out. And then these modern graphics that come down the side. Now this one has been spec'd with the driver's pack and the looks pack. So part of your looks pack is you will have a outside barbecue point just there, so there's no need to be messing around with your gas tanks. You can get 2 6 kilograms in there if you need to. Now the G, if you didn't realise, stands for garage. So something again that's under 6.5 metres doesn't normally come with a decent sized garage. You can access it from both sides. Smaller door this side, and then round the other side, which I'll show you in a minute, it's a bigger door. Bike rack fitments are already pre-installed, as is your rear reversing camera, so you're all good and covered at the back. And as I said, you can get in with a bigger garage space this side, and then a little bit more room on here. You've got heating that goes into the back, so if you wanted to dry anything out, you can. There's a 230 volt at the back just there, and then obviously your boiler tap is all there as well, and then a little bit more storage just here. So it is a really great location for storing things and plugging things in as well. Another addition to the looks pack is your external shower just there, so that is a cold shower point. And then you've got your water fill point there, which is just normal hose pipe in. Toilet cassette is here, and then that is your mains power hookup. And everything's really nice and neat. So you've got your wastewater and your fresh water and your boiler drain off just there. But again, it looks really stylish and really modern. Let's go inside and show you inside this. So when I first saw these at the October show, they were really modern looking, really you know, classic design and classic layout. So low line. No need for a habitation step. You do get your fly screen, and then stepping in, starting at the front, and I believe I have the keys somewhere, so because I just want to show you the bigger screen and also the digital dash. So if I just turn that on, so you can see there that the dash is all fully digital, so everything's all on a screen there. And then you get a nice big screen here. You can do Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, etc. Reversing camera all comes up there as well. So really nice space to be in. That's the new gearbox, so it's just a turny wheel, and you get flappy paddles for if you do put it into a manual override. It's got automatic headlights, speed limit and cruise control, and also Bluetooth functionality. Couple of USBs that are up there nice and neatly out the way, and another USB and 12 volt just up there as well. So a really nice space. Stepping back, both chairs will spin, and they've got this nice faux cream leather. Up here you've got a little bit of storage, so in the gaps, and a nice big panoramic roof that does open as well. So again, let a lot of light in, let a lot of air in, be really nice. This will turn into a bed here, and will also travel people, and then there is a table that can sit there as well, so for your dining in the daytime and things like that, you're not put out, because you do have access for that. Into your kitchen, you do get a nice large worktop space here, and as I said, with that modern feel, you know, your black kitchen roll holder, your black matte tap that just look really cool. These nice big cupboards that are here, microwave as well, and then 3 gas hob with a combination oven and grill, and loads of storage. And again, how modern do they look? Nice and sleek, sort of anthracite grey design, which is all very popular. The new control panel as well, so it is the new Sergeant control panel. Just drop that down, which is up here, which is all touchscreen LCD, so you can just tap on that and that'll all work. Obviously the battery's not connected in the leisure area, but I'm sure we've all seen them. Nice big mirror, so Jack can smile at you as he walks past. And then in here, it is a wet room style, but it's a big size wet room for the size of the van, because as I say, it is less than 6.5 metres. So plenty of room in there for a shower, and your tap doubles up as the shower head as well. Another thing to do with the Lux Pack is the Omni vent above you, so that will spin one way or the other way and let air in or suck air out. And then probably one of the nicest features is this lovely big bed that's at the back. You can access your garage from here as well, and the table storage is just in that corner bit there, and then you do get a nice decent sized fridge as well. Skylight to the back, letting a bit of light in, bit of cupboard space at the back as well. And then TV point is just up there, so I'll let Jack just nudge past. So you can have a television in your bathroom, and then there is also a TV point just at the front here. So if you're wanting to mount a television up there as well for your dining area, you can. All the XLs will come pre-installed with a Sargent Thatcham category S7 tracker system, so you operate that through the My Auto Trail, so you haven't got to worry about additional security because you're all covered. So I think I've covered everything, and genuinely I think this is one of them vans that kind of sells itself, because it just looks really cool from the outside, looks really cool from the inside, ticks boxes of 4 travelling, 3.5 tonne, and also is a narrower profile, and it's under 6.5 metres. What more do you need? If you're interested in this van, pick up the phone and ask for me, Steve, because I'd love to show you around the van in person. Persil's a detergent, don't do that. We do bloopers and everything. If you are travelling, don't forget to ask first to make sure the van is still available, so it is here for when you get down here. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and hopefully we'll see you down at Don Amott very soon, and take care.